today? We are. Okay, who remember what did we learn in our last class? Yes, Nina?
We learned external organs.
We learned about external organs. Very good. We learned about external organs. Okay, now who can recall some external organs? Yes, Devash.
Eyes,
Ears,
hands, legs.
Yes. Okay, very nice. So there are many external organs?
Yes.
Okay, now look at your friend. Can you see those external organs?
Yes.
So in our last class, we have learned we can see the external organs. But today we are going to learn something very interesting about some organs which are inside our body. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Stand up at your place. Okay. I would like Samina, please come here and my shorts. Now we have to jog at our place for 10 seconds. Ready?
Yes.
Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Now, keep your hands on. Keep here. Yes. Keep your hands here. Okay. Can you feel something?
Yes.
Who can tell me? Yes, Sanjita, what are you feeling?
Mom, something pumping.
Something pumping. Okay, yes, Maisha, how are you feeling?
Something eating.
Something beating?
Yes.
So, what is it called?
Heart.
It is called as a heartbeat. Yes. Okay, now stand still. Now take a deep breath in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. What is going inside?
Oxygen.
Air is going inside?
Yes.
Yes, oxygen, obviously. We'll discuss it. Okay, sit down. Everybody sit down. Okay. Now, when you are hungry, do you feel something?
Yes.
Have you ever heard a grumbling sound?
Yes.
Where have you heard? Where have you heard? Here?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now tell me, if I tell you to think something, what action will you do? What are you doing here? What is this? What is here? Can you guess? What is here? Yes, Anne?
It is called brain.
Yes, brain is inside our head. Very good. Okay, children, so today we are going to learn about internal organs. So these are some organs which are inside our body functioning together to help our body work properly. Got it?
Yes.
So we will learn about which organs, children? Now can you tell me, does internal is giving you any hint about the position of the organ?
Yes.
Which word is telling you?
In.
In. Very good. And we will also see some basic functions of these organs. Okay. As we have discussed, can you see these organs?
Yes.
How can you see? Is it outside?
No.
They are
Inside.
yes. So when we are talking about internal organs, we cannot
See them.
them. We cannot
See them.
Okay, now I am going to show you a video in which you will see different internal organs and their positions. Right? We will also discuss their functions. Are you ready?
Water.
Which organs are present in our body? The human body is made up of cells.
Okay, now can you see this child playing?
Yes.
Do you think she's using any internal organ right now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, great. We'll talk about this in our next class, right? Now let us see this video.
The other important organs. Why are you breathing so fast?
That's because I'm out of breath as I ran too fast. My lungs need more air.
What are lungs? What are they? I cannot see them.
There are some parts which are present inside our body. They are called internal organs.
Do you mean to say that lungs are inside our body?
Yes, Pasha. Lungs are our internal organs. Brain, heart, and stomach are other such internal organs.
Okay, now can you see different internal organs?
Yes.
Now starting from the head, which is the first internal organ?
Brain.
Okay, now read the spelling with me.
B-R-A-I-N.
Very good. Okay, now then which is the next internal organ?
Lungs.
Read the spelling.
L-U-N-G-S.
Good. Now which is the next internal organ in between the lungs?
Heart.
Read the spelling aloud.
S-T-A-R-T.
Great. Now what is this? Can you read?
S-T-O-M-A-C-S.
Okay. Now as you can see, children, there is one more internal organ. This one. It is called as
Liver.
It is called as
Liver.
And there is one more internal organ which is this side, and it is called as
Kidneys.
Very good. Okay, now let us see the functions of these organs.
But what about our hands and legs? I can see them. Are they not internal organs?
No, Pasha. There are some parts of the body that we can see, like our eyes, ears, nose, and skin. These are the external parts of the body.
You said lungs need air. So do they help us in breathing?
Right, Pasha. Lungs help us to breathe. When we breathe in, they fill with air, and when we breathe out, they become empty.
Oh, so this is why you will breathe.
Okay, so have you seen?
Yes.
What is she talking about?
Lungs.
Oh, so when you were breathing, the air was going inside your lungs. Now let me show you a 3D picture of lungs. Have you ever seen?
Yes.
See?
Wow.
That's how our lungs look like. The air comes from here, it goes into the lungs. The lungs take the oxygen from the air, gives back the carbon dioxide, and then we get a purified air inside our body. Okay? Yes. Now let us see the other
Breathing
organ.
so fast.
Yes. When we run or exercise, we need more air.
What do the other internal organs do?
Put your hand on the left side of your chest.
All of you put your
Do you
hand.
feel something?
Oh yes, I feel some thumping. What is it?
It is your heart. Look here. Our heart pumps blood to all parts of our body continuously. It makes the thumping sound.
What is this sound from it?
Okay. So what have you seen here?
Heart.
What is the function of the heart?
It
It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Now I will show you a 3D picture of heart also. Now, any questions regarding heart?
What is the sound of the heart?
The sound of the heartbeat. Okay, let me open a video which I have added for you. Listen carefully. Have you heard?
This is the heartbeat.
This is the heartbeat sound. Yes, this is the heartbeat sound. Let us continue with the video.
That's your stomach growling. It seems you're hungry. This is our stomach. It breaks down the food we eat and gives us energy.
Oh, so that's what happens to the food we eat. Let me think about what I should eat.
Do you know that the brain helps you to think?
Really?
Your stomach growling. It seems you're hungry. This is our stomach.
Yes, so this is our stomach. Whatever you are eating, it is going inside your stomach. And what does the stomach do? It digests the food. Now imagine if you had eaten lots of golgappas. Now which internal organ will be affected? Stomach. So you should be very careful while eating and you should always eat healthy food.
Down the food we eat and gives us energy.
Oh, so that's what happens to the food we eat. Let me think about what I should eat.
Do you know that the brain helps you to think?
Really? What else does the brain do?
It controls the work of all organs of our body. It helps us to speak, walk, run, and even remember things.
Wow, that's amazing. I learned so many new things about my body today. Let's take a look at what we learned today.
Okay. So all of you read aloud the functions of the internal organ which I am pointing at. Lungs. Stomach. Stomach. Break down food. You can also say that stomach digests the food. Brain. Brain is the most important organ of your body because it is controlling all the actions you are doing. And brain helps you to think properly and it also gives you lots of knowledge for your future also. Okay? Okay, now what we will do, we will make a list of internal organs in our sheet. Alright? Now can you see here? Look at the picture of the organ and write the name in your sheet. I hope you all have written heart. Number 1. Number 2, stomach. Shall we move ahead, children? Number 3, lungs. Done?
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
So today we are learning about the functions of these four organs. You can also write these organs also, kidney and the liver. That we will discuss in our next class. The functions we will discuss in our next class. Okay, you can add these also in the list. Yeah, and add number 6 also. Liver. Done?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now you have to read aloud the functions loudly one by one. Okay? Got it? Okay, yes, Samiha. Read aloud the function of heart.
Pumps blood through the body.
Very good. Sit down. Next, I would like Maisha. Yes, Maisha.
Heart digests the food we eat.
Which organ?
Stomach.
Very good. Sit down. Now I would like, yes, you.
Helps us,
Further. Yes.
lungs helps us breathe the air in our body and breathe out air from our body.
Yes, correct. Now I would like Iram to read. Yes, sir. Controls.
Control all body activity.
Very good. So which organ is it?
Brain.
Brain. Very good. Understood, children?
Yes.
Great. Now we will see another video of the internal organs.
Hi, Jiggy. You don't look well. What happened?
I ate a lot of cake. Now my stomach hurts.
You shouldn't overeat.
My stomach always wants more food. What can I do?
No, Jiggy. It's not your stomach that tells you to eat more. It's your brain. The stomach only digests the food.
Really?
Our body has a number of organs inside it. Each of them has a special function. Let's take a look at them.
Okay.
Click an organ name to know its function.
Now we will recall the functions of the organs for the final time and then I will have the assessment. Got it?
Yes.
Now which organ should I pick first?
Heart.
Okay, heart. Fine.
Pumps blood to all parts of the body. It also pumps impure blood to the lungs for purification.
Now which one?
Stomach.
Okay.
The stomach produces digestive juices to digest the food we eat.
Now which one?
Kidney.
Okay, this we will learn in the next class. Now let us see about
Brain.
The brain controls our body. It sends signals to different body parts to do their activity. It also receives signals from the sensory organs. The brain sends and receives signals through the nerves.
now.
Lungs.
Lungs help us in breathing. They take in oxygen from the surroundings and remove carbon dioxide from our body.
Here?
Yes.
They are giving you some additional information, but we will stick to the basic function right now. In higher classes, you will learn in detail. Got it?
Yes.
Now let us solve the final worksheet, which is the organ puzzle. Okay. The table below contains names of organs that have been broken into half. Find the separate pieces and fit together the name. Write it below. Then write the function of the organ. Okay, now I will be calling any one of you to solve this here. Okay. Now I am giving you 2 minutes. Quickly find the internal organs. Hands down. I'll call you. Look at it carefully. Okay. Now, Shanan, please come. Okay. Find one internal organ. Match the spelling. STOMACH. Which organ is it? Very good. Now I would like Hasana. Please come. Now let me see which organ does Hasana finds. HEA. Heart. HERT. Heart. Very good. Now let us take the color right here. Okay. Yes, Shahan. We are. Can you guess your name? Brain. Very good. Okay, now. Yes, you come. LU. NG. Very good. Yes, Fatima. KIDNEY. Kidney. So, children, all the internal organs are complete? No? Yes. Let us write and find. Now, which was the first one? HEART. What is the function? Okay, very good. Pumps. Okay. Next one. Let's take brain. What is the function? Think and remember. Yes, absolutely right. Think and remember. Yes. Now, which organ should we take next? The 4 organs of which we are learning the function. Yes. Function. L plus B. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now which one? Havas, is it correct?
No.
What's your hand? What is the function of stomach? Yes, very good. Digest the food. Okay, now quickly write the function in front of the organs in your worksheet. Yes. I can show you this worksheet. From here you can note down the function. Fine? Is it okay?
Yes.
I think everybody has written for the heart, right?
Yes. The stomach also.
Write for the stomach quickly. Oh, I can see somebody has done the drawing also. Good, nice, very good. I am underlining some important words, children. Digest, breathe, controls, pumps blood.
Brain.
Okay, brain. Yes. Next, anybody have any doubt? Any doubt? Yes.
Can you think it of that heart?
That we'll do in our next class. Right? So today we have to do
And can you
the four organs.
and can you do the heart?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I hope everybody has written.
Yes.
Okay, great.
That's related to the
Write it quickly.
number shoulder.
Kings controls all the activity. Yes. Actually, the function of the kidney is to filter the waste from our body. We will study in detail in our next class.
मतलब we have to do this one more time.
Huh? Now, children, are you ready for a quiz?
Yes.
Now, let me see who has learned about all the internal organs, the four which we have done today, and let me see who can answer. We will see the questions for which we have not done today, right? We will only solve the questions about the concept which we have learned today. Okay. Identify the picture showing the lungs. A, B, C or D? Yes, Ira.
C.
C, is it correct?
Yes.
Clap for her. Very good. Let us check. Is it right? Yes, correct. Next. Which organ controls all bodily functions? Yes, I am.
Brain.
Brain. Golgappas in the school field, which organ is likely to get affected? Yes, Arisha.
Ma'am, stomach.
Stomach?
Yes.
Let us see. Correct. Number. Which organ listed below controls all the functions of the body? Yes. Very good. Let us see. Correct answer. Number 8. We'll skip this question. Okay. So children, I hope you all have learned about the internal organs today. Yes? So now I hope children you are very clear about all the internal organs which we have learned today and its function. In the next class we are going to learn about the function of kidney and the function of liver. Bring this sheet along with you. Hope you all have a nice day. Okay, thank you children. Starting